The 2025 Mack Anthem 64T70 raised roof sleeper isn't just another semi-truck, it's a high-tech powerhouse built to lead the next generation of long-haul transport, designed for maximum driver comfort, aerodynamic efficiency, and rugged dependability. This truck represents the perfect fusion of classic American truck heritage and cutting-edge modern innovation. At the core of this beast is the legendary Mack MP8 engine, a 13-liter inline-6 powerhouse that can produce up to 505 horsepower and 1,860 pounds-ft of torque, paired with Mack's intelligent MDRIV automated manual transmission. The powertrain delivers smooth, effortless shifting and improved fuel efficiency, making it well-suited for demanding long-haul operations. This pairing not only reduces driver fatigue but also lowers operating costs by optimizing performance. Based on road and load conditions, the 70-inch raised roof sleeper configuration is engineered to provide a superior experience for drivers who spend days or even weeks on the road. It offers spacious, comfortable accommodations with a full-size bunk, integrated workstation, ample cabinet storage, USB charging ports, and even options for a refrigerator or microwave. The upgraded climate control system ensures consistent comfort across various weather conditions, while advanced soundproofing materials significantly reduce road and engine noise, allowing for better rest during off-duty hours. With a premium interior finish, ergonomic controls, and a digital co-pilot dash display, the 2025 Anthem gives drivers a cab that feels more like a mobile office and lounge than a traditional work truck. In terms of design, the Anthem stands out with its bold, angular aesthetic and signature Mack grille. Aerodynamic improvements like redesigned mirror mounts, side fairings, and bumper skirts contribute to reduced drag, improving fuel economy and lowering emissions. Mack has also integrated predictive cruise control and enhanced driver assist features like lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and collision mitigation systems. These upgrades make the Anthem not only comfortable and powerful, but also among the safest RIGS available in 2025. When compared to industry rivals such as the Freightliner Cascadia and Volvo V8, the 2025 Mack Anthem holds its own in key areas. While the Cascadia may offer marginally better aerodynamic efficiency and Volvo leads in autonomous readiness, the Anthem's strength lies in its robust build, driver-centric interior, and unmatched reliability in harsh conditions. Its proven track record among owner-operators and fleet managers alike makes it a trustworthy choice for those who prioritize long-term value and uptime. Historically, Mack Trucks has been an American trucking icon since the early 1900s, and the Anthem line has carried the brand into the modern era with style and performance. First introduced in 2018, as a response to changing demands for fuel, efficiency, and driver comfort, the Anthem has continuously evolved to meet the expectations of 21st century logistics. The 2025 model builds upon this legacy, introducing smarter systems and finer creature comforts that reflect Mack's commitment to staying ahead of the curve. Looking toward the future, the 2025 Mack Anthem 64T is likely a pivotal stepping stone in Mack's broader evolution. With increasing interest in alternative fuels, electric drivetrains, and autonomous tech, Mack has already laid the groundwork for next-gen platforms. The Anthem's modular architecture and advanced electronic systems hint at its capability to accommodate future powertrains, including hydrogen fuel cells or full battery electric setups. In addition, as regulations push for safer, more efficient, and cleaner transport solutions, the Anthem is poised to adapt without losing its core identity of strength and endurance. In summary, the 2025 Mack Anthem 64T70 raised roof sleeper is a symbol of what's possible when heritage meets innovation. With powerful specs, a driver-first design, and competitive features that rival the best in the industry, it plays a crucial role in both current logistics and the transformation of the freight industry. Whether you're hauling coast-to-coast or navigating regional routes, this truck delivers the comfort, power, and confidence needed for the road ahead.